Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Hello, we are from Group A. First, we will introduce our group members.
Hello, I am Nafsatul Hamidah. You can call me Nafisa. I am 18 years old. I come from Blitar.
Hello, I am Nur Ilma Mufidatul Amni. You can call me Ilma. I am 18 years old. I come from Blitar.
Hello, my name Hafidah Aprilia Soekarno Putri. You can call me Fidah. I come from Tulungagung.
Hello, I am Muhammad Wildan Sabahtiar. You can call me Wildan. I am 18 years old. I come from Blitar. We are some of the thousands of young people who love and are proud to speak Indonesian. Indonesian is the national identity. Using the Indonesian language, many having a high spirit of nationalism. To the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia, taught the Indonesian language.
The use of the Indonesian language must be carried out a national movement because the Indonesian language has strengthened the unity and integrity of the Indonesian nation. This is in line with one of the content of the 1928 Youth of We, the son and daughter of Indonesia, speak one Indonesian language.
In addition, loving our own language is our obligation as the owner of that language. Therefore, in the culture era, with many incoming foreign language, Indonesia must remain firmly established as a characteristic of the Indonesia state.
Love is not just word but action that can prove our love for something. It's like loving the Indonesian language, not just word but also natural evidence as we love our language. Here we will voice the reason why we love Indonesia.
The reason I love Indonesian so much is because Indonesian has a very deep meaning if we look at it more specifically, especially if we understand Indonesian literature. Indonesian is a unique and interesting language, an example of whom in Putri we will surely find Indonesian which we rarely hear. Therefore, I really love and proud of myself as someone who is the owner of the Indonesian language itself.
My reason is that Indonesian as a language of unity is achieved through struggle, in accordance with the position of Indonesian as the national language and the language of the state. It means that we must love Indonesian language and nation. It is said so because language is essentially a symbol of identity that reflects the character of a nation.
The reason I like Indonesian is because Indonesian is a language of unity was achieved through a bloody struggle to be recognized as the national language, the official language, as well as the language of unity. Indonesian is also a means of unifying various ethnic groups, and Indonesian is a means of connecting between regions and cultures. Not only that, Indonesian is a liaison at the national level.
The Russian I like Indonesia because Indonesia is the national language of Indonesia, which is Asia who communicates with other people use Indonesia than local language because Indonesia is the national language. This is easy to understand who communicates even though it is of different ethnicity.
From the various reasons that we have presented earlier, it can be concluded the Indonesian language is healthy for the Indonesian people.
We are very grateful and proud to study at Sayyid Ali Rahmatullah State Islamic University Tulungagung in this Indonesian language education study program.
Of course, by taking this study program, we convey our love for Indonesian language and of course to this national. Because the relentless struggle fought by the ancestors to get to independence of Indonesia
And in the end, Indonesian language belongs to our beloved country. Indonesian language is serves as a unique and interesting language.
Has deep meaning in some of his work. Therefore, let young people of Indonesia applaud the language of our unity, namely Indonesian. Love and be proud of Indonesian in every moment you will miss in your life. Greeting is one language Indonesian.
Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.